Well, hello YouTube. My name's Phil Owen. Welcome to my garage. And this is Tinker Scrub and Ferret. This is something that's been sat around not doing a lot for a very long time. I'm going to have to somehow get this stripped and reworking again, because I certainly would like to see it working again. Still got the original firebox. Oh dear. Yeah. So, got the Mamod Steam Engine. We'll try and see if we can get this apart. Sure, an adjustable spanner around here somewhere. But I've just squirted some release fluid in here to try and get the piston to come out. There we go. Beautiful. Alright. That's the piston out. That's from the skateboard. That's the old screws and worn out bearings. Bin. I've got a bin. I'll find a bin later. Right. They can go there. So that's one of the old fill points. That's the piston. And can we get the pressure relief valve out? Oh, blimey, yes, we can. Pressure relief valve. That's totally sea solid. I'm going to have to leave that in a bath of fluid, which we can try and see if we can get it to free up. Typical adjustable spanner right in front of me. Can't see the wood for the trees. Right, let's try and get this part off, which is the drive wheel. Oh, that came apart. And so there's a little pulley. Let's undo the main wheel. Oh. So there's the drive shaft, there's the main wheel. That's off. And let's undo the top. So let's take this pipe out. So this is the steam out. As stiff as anything. We can just like anything. There we go. That's disconnected from there. Now that's the steam line out of the piston, so it can go to the one side. Right. I know my luck, this will probably be BA screws or nuts on the back of these ones, which I've probably got nothing for. Certainly got spanners for it, I can tell you that. Right. Please don't lose anything. He says, and it falls on the floor. Gone. Oh, God. Good grief. Bonk. Alright. Now I'm going to take these ones out. Now this is holds the retaining strap down for the for the actual boiler. Come on. Got to admit, I have never had this apart, ever. Well, I am wondering to myself, how the heck am I going to get these screws back together again once you're inside the firehouse? Oh, we can get them to the front. That's that one. Put my finger in there. The spider just crawled out. More screws. Let's see if I can get this lot apart. Bonk. There we go. Get that in there. So there's a boiler. Very simple brass construction. Get some brass out, that'll clean up in no time whatsoever. That one's a bit of a straighten. And a good coating of heat-proof paint wouldn't go amiss. Although I must admit I haven't got anything. Ugh, what's that? Right, let's take the main steam housing off. He says looking for the screwdriver again. That's not very tight. It would be tighter than that. I must admit the screwdriver is actually technically too big for the screw. Yeah, that's not very tight at all. There we go. Now, surprisingly, that seems to be in fairly good condition. I think what I'm going to have to do is try and see if I can get those two parts away from each other because it's sprung loaded. And there is a seal in the back of this. So that's the pin. There's the block. And what appears to be a fibre seal. Not brilliant, but there it is. And there's the cylinder. Again, made of brass. But again, fairly good nick. There we go. Well, it needs a thorough good cleaning. Some brass out and that'll all come up a treat. And there's the base plate. Finally, I've got it apart. Took me long enough to get round to it. As you can see, original colour. I'm trying to find out if I can get hold of the original colours. Sure we can. Yeah. Right. First job jobbed. We've actually got it apart. Now comes the hard part. Actually getting it cleaned. Well, as you know that, see, that's basically the strip down of the Mamod Steam Engine. As you can tell, I'm still new to this video lark. Still new to this YouTube business. But hey, it's a learning curve for everyone, including myself. So the next time you'll see the next episode will be all the pieces cleaned down. And we'll go through doing a partial reassembly. I'm going to try and see if I can find some paint for this thing now. and whatever needs to be painted up, we'll paint up. On another note, as I've said in the first video, if you're an apprentice engineer or you're looking to get into engineering in any shape or form and you want a bit of advice or you want a bit of help, just leave a question in the comments below. I'll do my best to try and help you out, because this channel is basically going to be two things. One, stuff I like to build, stuff I like to try and restore, but also trying to help out apprentice engineers who are just coming into the trade, who'd like a bit of help, who've got questions to answer. So this is what this channel's here for. Drop us a like, subscribe, whatever, say hello, and just come and join in, have a bit of fun. Yeah. Hopefully see you on the other side of this one. So see you in the next one. Enjoy. Cheers.